What's up, guys? Today is day 1535 of us living the van life lifestyle. We're a family of 3 traveling through the US, and we are currently in LA, California. This is a day in our lives. Last night we stealth camped by the park here and we had a pretty good night's sleep, but we're not going to stay here to eat breakfast. We're going to drive over to the community center, the library where there's the EV charge station where we were at yesterday, so that we can park there and charge our van. But most importantly, the Wi-Fi there from the library is really fast, because I still need to upload the video from yesterday. For some reason, the internet from our Verizon carrier is just really slow here in LA for some reason. Even though we have like good service, like 3-4 bars, it's just really slow. So we're gonna drive over there and we'll kind of get our day started over there. Today is Sunday, so we decided to not eat out because it's probably gonna be really busy. We prefer to eat out when it's during the weekdays, where there's less of a crowd. All right, I'm gonna get plugged in here. This is a EV charge station. We have the ability to convert EV power into our van's battery. So we'll stay here for a little bit. We'll do breakfast and then we'll see where we go next. We're just gonna be doing some muffins for breakfast today. This is the muffins that we got from Costco. All right, let's sit down. Let's eat some muffins. Just do a simple breakfast today. Okay, you can eat it whole. You can hold it like this. Okay. Like this, like that, right? So I'm gonna be making a steak for breakfast this morning. I left this out in the refrigerator to defrost, and because we're in LA, we're probably not gonna be cooking too much. I don't want to put this back in the freezer either. But if I don't eat it, it's probably gonna go bad. So let's make this for breakfast. This isn't too big of a steak, so this should be fine. And I'm out of eggs, so. This is New York strip.
You know what you should do if you have no there's a guy.
I don't see him anymore. Just do a simple salt, pepper, and garlic.
I wasn't afraid.
We got power, so we're using the induction cooktop, which is nice. Definitely a pretty unusual way for us to start the day and start the video. Yeah, the fan's acting up again. Crack the window a little bit. Uh-oh.
Mama.
Are you looking for some steak? You are? I'll cut you some, okay? Beautiful steak for breakfast. Steak for breakfast. Look at this beautiful steak for breakfast. Mmm. 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 I'm missing some eggs here. These steak and eggs.
Mama.
Mama. Em mới見到 Mama.
Hi, Mama.
Hi Mama 係啊，你有冇睇到 Mama？ 你擺遠啲先睇到。係啊，你擺遠啲先睇到。十零個。Can you 請粒嫲嫲食？請嫲嫲食一粒。Can you give one to 嫲嫲？
Thank you. 係啊。
哦，跌咗啦你。We hung out in the van all morning, early afternoon, and Spencer's actually about to take his nap. We were gonna go to a park, but I think he should probably nap first and maybe we'll go afterwards. But anyway, I need to head over to Sprouts to fill up our drinking water, and hopefully there's some eggs there. And I'll see if there's anything else I can pick up. Hi, Spencer. Are you taking a nap yet? No? You should be. It's 2 o'clock. Yeah, let's take a nap. Yeah, Spencer didn't fall asleep while on the way here, so we're gonna go in together. Let's put shoes on, Spence.
We're gonna clean your shoe. Don't fly.
Alright, let's see if they got eggs here. Oh, wow, they only have like these 6 packs, and they're like $7 for 6. Wow, so expensive. And whatever else they have here are all broken. Yeah, I'm not gonna be getting any of the eggs here. It's just way too expensive. We'll check another store next time. Let me just get a pack of these boiled ones. They're $5.79 for 6. Alright then, let's just fill water and we'll get out of here. We're gonna drive over to a nearby park where we'll wait for Spencer to wake up, and then we'll play in the park for a little bit after he wakes up. Hi, Spence. Let's go play. So busy today, isn't it? Hi, Spence. Good job.
This is a good
Ooh. Alright, we're leaving the park now. We're actually going to be getting some food nearby. We're going to be going to get some Hong Kong style cafe. So there's a spot that we really enjoy. It's really close to here, so we're going to head over there first. The restaurant that we're having today is Alice's Kitchen. It's a local favorite and one of our top Hong Kong style cafes in LA. Has some really good Hong Kong style food, of course. So we're gonna have some food here. They got the classic Hong Kong style cha chan ten menu here. The rice, clay pot rice, 煲仔飯, curry dishes, the classic Chinese dishes here, sandwiches, soups, and it's a really decent sized menu. Got the classic steak combos, fried noodles, congee, rice. Of course, they got the baked rice and pastas. A sizzling hot pot. Yeah, the stuff here is really, really good. This cafe's got some of the coolest Hong Kong street decors. It's got that nostalgia feel to it. It's like the streets of Hong Kong. Rena's got the classic Hong Kong style lemon iced tea. Look the lemon. Alright, we got an appetizer. We got a curry fish ball with pork skin. It looks really good.
It's a little spicy.
Okay, Rena got the eggplant with minced pork on a pot. Hot pot.
With my rice.
White rice. Yeah, let's get some meat there. Maybe a little sauce. Yeah, Spencer's kind of hungry. Going straight for the rice. Is the eggplant there?
Very good. It's still really purple. The eggplant is
The curry fish ball and try. Tastes very authentic. Very, very tasty, of course. Thank you. I ordered the mixed grill. It's got the steak, you got the pork, fish, sausage, and some corn there. Let's put the garlic sauce here. Oh. And this one comes with pasta. Let's try this mixed grill here. Oh, it smells delicious. Start with the chicken that's on top. Let's see how the sauce tastes. This is like the classic flavor that you're looking for from like a Hong Kong style cafe. This is really good. Let's try the steak here. Or you can have some, yeah. Let's try the steak here. Really good. Here. It's also got the sausage here. Yeah, this is so good. I just wish that they have a little bit more sauce. This isn't going to cover everything here. They definitely overcooked it a little bit though. No red whatsoever. They feel good. Yeah. The fish is so good. It's like, it's a little bit crispy on the outside and really meaty. And it's very flaky, so it kind of falls apart. Really, really good. And the steak is a very thin cut of steak. So I guess they weren't able to have any red in it. I asked for 30%, so like a medium rare, or actually more on the rare side. It's still, you see no red on here, but it's still really tender though. It's still pretty good.
I got some new in it.
Yeah.
Seafood.
Seafood.
Those are so yummy.
Spencer really enjoying the rice here with the eggplant sauce and the diced chicken. Really good, right? Probably like wholesome fan, right? So good with the rice. Look at that. So flavorful, I can tell. Yeah. That's a big bite. Spencer did really well this evening. He's been sitting here enjoying his rice without much complaint. So good job, Spencer. Can you give that a high five? Yeah, good job, buddy. All right, we just got done with dinner here at Alice's kitchen. As expected, everything is really good. It's the classic Hong Kong style cafe food, of course. And no complaints here. Yeah, it's one of our go-tos here. We love the breakfast here as well. Not that often we come and eat dinner at Alice's.
This is our first time.
Yeah, we've gotten takeout before, but the first time eating in the restaurant. So everything was really good. So definitely recommend coming here if you guys are looking for like legit Hong Kong style cafe food. All right. Yeah. All right, we're leaving the area now. We're gonna be looking for a spot to stealth camp for the night. Yeah, I don't know where we're camping yet, but all right, let's just go find a spot. We just found a spot to stealth camp for the night. It's by some condos here. Pretty quiet area. And we'll be staying here for the night. All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. We had a pretty slow day today for a Sunday. Guess we didn't really do much considering we've done so much yesterday for Lunar New Year. So sometimes a rest day like today is good. I mean, we still went to the park and stuff. But we're going to be in LA for a couple of more days. If you guys want to continue watching our van life journey in LA and enjoying some more Asian foods here, hit that subscribe button so they get notified when the new video comes out. And if you guys like watching this video, smash that like button so that I can spread to more people. We really appreciate you guys watching. We will catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Can you do a piece?
A piece.
A piece.
A piece.
A piece.
A piece.
A piece.